how to get leaf wings in Terraria. So you cannot buy these early in the game or even at the start of hard mode anymore. So the developers changed this entirely, so stop wasting your time trying to get them immediately. They are now strictly locked behind defeating Plantera in the underground jungle. So once Plantera is dead, you must move the Witch Doctor into a valid house physically located inside the jungle biome. Then wait until it is officially nighttime in your world. Once it is night, approach the Witch Doctor, open his shop, and he will sell the leaf wings for exactly 2 platinum coins and 25 gold. So if it is daytime, or if he is living in a different biome like the forest, the wings will completely disappear from the shop. And because of this massive progression nerf, you're better off crafting a fairy or harpy wings in early hard mode and completely skipping the leaf wings unless you specifically want them for your vanity slot. That is how you get leaf wings in Terraria.